fishing, and we're at Walmart getting normal crap. So we have these little paddle-tail minnows. They're yellow, of course, as you see. 4 pieces. They're about 2 inches. Then we got these greenish something, and it says 45%. So we're dealing with it. It's Berkley, so what could go wrong? An extra deep crankbait. Looks pretty cool, and I think the bass there will eat it, so yeah. And then I'm gonna buy this rod by Berkley for my little spinning rod. Yeah, we'll see you at the pond.
First bass of the day, guys. Brennan caught, no.
Oh, my worm.
I'll get the worm.
Oh,
Bet it did. Alright, show us your fish.
Zach, let me get situated. Alright, nice little bass.
Nice bass. Cool.
Pretty.
Pretty one too. Now let's get that release shot.
See what she eats. She eats crawfish. Hope I don't fall. She gave me a shower. Alright. Yeah. First bass, and they like. Did you get that worm? Yeah. Alright, they like the green, weird looking stick worm thing, so we'll see you on the next bass.